Hey, it's Joe, and welcome back to Humanfluence. Today I want to talk about something that's on everyone's mind as the calendar flips over to a new year. Change. We've all heard it before. New year, new me, but let's be honest. Most of us don't need a new year to start fresh. The truth is, every single moment holds the potential for change. Yet there's something powerful about a clean slate, isn't there? It's symbolic. A chance to reset, refocus, and recommit to what truly matters. And what matters most is today. The present moment. The only place we live. Think about it. Life is happening right now. Not in the past, the future, but in this moment. The past is gone, a memory we can't relive. The future, it hasn't arrived yet. And worrying about it only steals the joy of today. When we focus too much on what's behind or what lies ahead, we miss the beauty of what is right in front of us. And the new year offers a perfect reminder to live in the present moment, to embrace today for what it is, a gift, a present. But why do we wait for change? We often wait for a new year, a new month. We'll start Monday, we'll start tomorrow or next week. It's because we crave structure. A new year feels like a blank canvas, a clear starting line. But again, you don't need a new year to start fresh. The only thing you need is a willingness to begin right now. That said, let's use this symbolic fresh start wisely. Let's commit to making each day matter. Not with grand resolutions that fizzle out by February, but with small, deliberate actions that align with what I like to call the great work. What is the great work? This is the journey of self-improvement, spiritual growth, and transformation. It is about becoming the best version of yourself, not just for you, but for the world around you. It's not something you achieve in one day or 1 year. It's a lifelong process, built moment by moment, action by action. And here's the thing, it doesn't demand perfection. It demands presence. It's about showing up every day, even when it's hard. Recognizing that each moment is an opportunity to choose differently, to act with intention, to align your actions with your higher purpose. So how do we bring our focus to the present moment? Here are a few simple practices to help you stay grounded in the now. Mindful breathing. Take a few moments each day to simply breathe. Focus on the inhale and the exhale. This anchors you in the present and reminds you that life happens breath by breath. Then there's gratitude. At the end of each day or each morning, reflect on what you're grateful for. This shifts your focus from what's missing to what you have, helping you find joy in the present moment. Set daily intentions instead of overwhelming yourself with year-long resolutions. Start each day with one small intention. Ask yourself, what can I do today to align with my great work? And let go of yesterday. Each morning, consciously release whatever happened the day before, ideally that night before you go to sleep. Whether it was good or bad, it's over. Today is a new chance to begin again. Living in the present moment doesn't make life all of a sudden easy. Challenges arise. That's part of being human. But when you face them with presence, they lose their power to derail you. Instead of worrying about the future or regretting the past, you focus on what you can do right now. Again, here we are, turning obstacles into opportunities. Setbacks become chances to grow, and every failure is a lesson. Every success becomes a moment to savor right here and now. So as we step into this new year, let it serve as a reminder, not a crutch. Don't wait for external milestones to give you permission to live fully or to change your life. You already have that permission. You always have. This year isn't about waiting for the perfect moment. It's about creating it. It's about realizing that every day is part of the great work. Whether it's January 1st or July 27th, the work remains the same. To grow, to learn, to love, and to live. So here's my challenge to you as we start this year. Don't just make resolutions. Make today count. Take it one breath, one moment, one step at a time. Commit to being present, not just when it's easy, but when it's hard. Commit to your great work, not just as a yearly goal, but as a daily practice. Because when you live for today, you truly live. You tap into the essence of life itself, and that's where the magic happens. I'll leave you with some empowering insights from Eckhart Tolle's The Power of Now, a book that has transformed countless lives by emphasizing the power of living in the present moment. He writes, "Realize deeply the present moment is all you ever have. Make the now the primary focus of your life," reminding us that life unfolds only in the here and now, not in the stories we tell ourselves about the past or the future. He also says it is not uncommon for people to spend their whole life waiting to start living. Let that sink in. How often do we wait for the perfect time, perfect opportunity, or the perfect version of ourselves? The key is to stop waiting and start being. And finally, the moment you realize you are not present, you are present. This paradox reminds us that awareness itself is the gateway to transformation. Let these words guide you towards embracing each moment fully. Now is where all the power, peace, and joy reside. Humanfluence, out.